What up YouTube? Will here, and today we're going to make an easy but amazing and moist layered chocolate cake with a chocolate ganache to die for. So without further ado, let's get cracking. So we're going to need 250 grams of plain flour, 350 grams of caster sugar, along with 90 grams of cocoa powder. Add 150 ml of vegetable oil or any kind of neutral oil, 400 ml of whole milk or full fat cream milk if in Sri Lanka. Add 2 large whole eggs, or if you want to be precise, 120 grams in total, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and finally 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or in my case 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Now add all your ingredients together in the mixer except the milk. Unfortunately, I've lost footage of me doing this, but here we are. You'll notice that this will come together as a crumbly mixture. Don't worry, just mix a little bit until well combined. Whilst that's mixing, heat up your whole milk into a nice gentle rolling boil. And while you're waiting, do a little dance. Oh yeah, shake it, baby. Now add the hot milk into the mix and whiz everything up again. You'll notice that when everything combines, it'll form into quite a runny but silky, smooth mixture. Once that's all combined, take it out of the mixer and transfer into pre-greased trays. Now, I used 3 6-inch trays, but you can easily transfer these into 2 8-inch trays. Make sure that cake batter is evenly divided between those trays, and make sure you leave some of that batter for whoever wants to lick that bowl. Give each tin a little tap to release those bubbles, and pop them in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Whilst you're waiting, you can be a good boy and clean up, or you can scare your audience and clean the lens. Or be more efficient and make that ganache, which is 200 grams of plain chocolate and 200 grams of double cream. Now use a bain-marie, which is pretty much a bowl over a saucepan full of hot water. Continue to whisk until you get a nice, smooth, velvety, chocolatey goodness. Look at that beauty. Hopefully that's enough time for you to pop those bad boys out of the oven, and you'll know they're ready when you put a knife or even a skewer and it comes out clean. Let them cool on a cooling rack. Once those bad boys have cooled down a little bit, you can go ahead and neaten up each of the cakes. Once both the cakes and the ganache have nicely cooled down, then it's time to build everything up. Make sure you put a good dollop between each layer. No point being stingy. This is a cake made out of love. Oh yeah. Now cover your whole cake with the ganache, and then everything is totally up to you. Decorate the cake as you would like. Make it your own. Just putting out some ideas out there. You can cover your cake with crumbles of Oreo, crumbled nuts. Be creative. And just look at how moist and soft that cake is. That knife is going right through, no problems whatsoever. Look at that, so spongy. And so soft. I hope you liked this chocolate cake episode. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.